Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind lately, and that's the stock ticker symbol for Bread Financial. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bread Financial? What's that? Well, it's a relatively new company that was spun off from Alliance Data Systems in 2022. And while it may not be as well known as some of the other big financial institutions out there, it's definitely worth paying attention to. So, what is the stock ticker symbol for Bread Financial? The answer is BFH. That's right, BFH. And if you're like me, you're probably wondering why they chose that particular symbol. Well, it turns out that there's a pretty good reason for it. BFH stands for Bread Financial Holdings. And that's exactly what the company is, a holding company for a variety of financial services businesses. So, it makes sense that they would choose a ticker symbol that reflects their core business. Now, I know that I've been talking a lot about the stock ticker symbol for Bread Financial, but I want to take a step back and talk about the company itself. Bread Financial is a relatively new company, but it's already making a big impact in the financial services industry. They offer a wide range of products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. And they're committed to providing their customers with a simple, personalized experience. One of the things that I really like about Bread Financial is their focus on innovation. They're constantly looking for new ways to improve their products and services. And they're not afraid to take risks. For example, Bread Financial recently launched a new credit card that allows customers to earn rewards for everyday purchases. And they've also developed a new mobile app that makes it easy for customers to manage their finances. I think that Bread Financial has a lot of potential to be a successful company. They're well positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for financial services. And they're committed to providing their customers with a great experience. So, if you're looking for a new company to invest in, I think Bread Financial is a good option. Of course, you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. But I think that Bread Financial is a company worth keeping an eye on. In addition to its financial services, Bread Financial is also committed to giving back to the community. They support a number of charitable organizations, including the American Red Cross and the United Way. I think that Bread Financial is a great company with a lot to offer. They're innovative, they're committed to their customers, and they're socially responsible. So, if you're looking for a new company to invest in, I think Bread Financial is a good option. Of course, you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. But I think that Bread Financial is a company worth keeping an eye on. Now, let's talk about some of the risks associated with investing in Bread Financial. One of the risks is that Bread Financial is a relatively new company. This means that there's still some uncertainty about its long-term prospects. Another risk is that Bread Financial operates in a highly competitive industry. There are a number of other companies that offer similar products and services. However, I believe that the risks associated with investing in Bread Financial are outweighed by the potential rewards. Bread Financial is a well-managed company with a strong growth potential. So, if you're looking for a high-growth stock, Bread Financial could be a good option for you. Of course, you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. In conclusion, I think that Bread Financial is a great company with a lot of potential. They're well positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for financial services. And they're committed to providing their customers with a great experience. So, if you're looking for a new company to invest in, I think Bread Financial is a good option. Of course, you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. But I think that Bread Financial is a company worth keeping an eye on. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay tuned for more financial insights.